installing the box, we've got these wings that come up to lock it in. When the box is all the way in, you turn the screwdriver and come up and stop, and as I tighten the screws, it draws it forward, bringing the box in, so you end up, when it's in the wall, it holds it perfectly tight inside. Now as we run the wires in, they tend to go in and hit the back wall. So what you do is you bend it a little bit this way and push some more, bend it a little bit this way. And what I'm going to do is bend the wires inside so they'll come out the front much easier. So just work those wires in, and okay, see, they're coming out the front now. And what we want when we're all done, when this is in here, we need these wires to hang out a good 6 inches out of the box so you have room to work with. But at this point, these look really good. We've got the service area here. We're going to fit the box back in. Remember, those flaps are going to come up when we screw them in, and that will hold the box very firmly in the wall. So obviously got to hold the tab in to get it in. So we've got it there now. You can, I like a power screwdriver. This is going to go much quicker with that. We just put it right on the screw. Now there's another chance. There's a little bit of play in the outlet. We want to make sure we get as vertical as possible. Use a level if you have to, if your eye's not really good. And we put these in, and that will tighten up the those tabs. So that tab's still a little loose. Okay, so that box now is in there tight. I got those tabs tightened up, and so you have a nice firm base to work with.